Man, have you ever opened your bank app and just stared at it like, bro, what happened? Like you didn't even buy anything crazy, but your balance is looking like it got jumped in an alley. And every month it's the same thing. The 17th hits and suddenly you're broke again. It's annoying, it's confusing, and honestly, it makes you feel like you're doing something wrong. And the wild part, society keeps gassing you up with this idea that small stuff doesn't matter. Like buying little things is harmless or whatever. But low-key, that's the biggest scam ever. Because all those tiny purchases add up like Thanos collecting infinity stones. And before you know it, your wallet gets snapped out of existence. Everyone thinks being broke comes from big dumb purchases, but nah, bro, it's the daily $5, $10, $15 leaks that hit harder than a toxic relationship. You work way too hard to feel broke every month, and honestly, it's draining as hell. It's unfair, it's exhausting, and it keeps you stuck in the same cycle. And if you don't fix these leaks now, you're gonna wake up 5 years from now with the same paycheck and the same stress. What's up, guys? Sam here, your friendly host from Sam the Finance Channel, the place where we turn confusing money topics into simple, life-changing lessons. Smart money moves start here. And today I'm taking you on a financial adventure you didn't even know you needed. Before we dive deep, quick disclaimer, this video is for education and entertainment only. I'm not your financial advisor, just your financially responsible homie looking out for you. And if you want your money to finally start obeying you, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Sam the Finance family. Alright, here's what to expect. Today I'm breaking down the dumb spending habits that are secretly draining your wallet. And trust me, once you see them, you won't unsee them. So grab your phone, pull up your bank statement, and follow along step by step. Bro, the wild thing about microspends is they feel harmless, like it's just $6, right? But when you repeat that tiny hit over and over, it stacks faster than you even realize. It's like your wallet is leaking one drip at a time until suddenly it's empty. A lot of us don't even buy because we need something, we buy because we're bored or in our feelings. And that quick little impulse hit feels good for like 8 seconds. Then regret shows up like a jump scare. That's why giving yourself a 24-hour pause is basically a cheat code against your own emotions. Convenience is the biggest ninja in your budget. Bro, you don't even notice it sneaking up. One tap for speed, one tap because you're tired. And suddenly half your cash is gone to stuff you didn't even need. But if you swap just a little of that convenience for planning, you keep way more money without changing your lifestyle. Lifestyle creep hits the moment your income goes up and your brain goes, bro, we're rich now. And suddenly you upgrade everything without even thinking. But the truth is, if you don't set a spending cap, your income grows but your savings stay starving. Bro, normal spending in America is literally a trap. Most people are broke but still flexing like they're CEOs. And social pressure makes you think you gotta match them. But once you choose your own lane, you stop chasing people who are secretly drowning. A lot of guys buy stuff not because they need it, but because they want to feel successful or grown. But when your confidence drops, emotional spending goes crazy fast. That's why you gotta check your identity first, because buying something doesn't make you become something. Bro, subscriptions are the biggest silent killers of your bank account. Half the time you don't even realize how much is leaking, because everything auto-charges behind your back. That's why you gotta run a monthly subscription detox before your wallet keeps taking L's. And don't get me started on free trials, bro. Companies know you'll forget. That's literally their whole business model. Set reminders or use an auto-cancel timer. Because trust me, you're not gonna remember. Real talk, half the subscriptions you're paying for don't even match the version of you that you're living right now. If you haven't used it this week, you don't need it, period. Keep the stuff that gives value, not the stuff you might use someday. Bro, here's the truth. Hanging out with friends is fun, but it low-key becomes a spending trap. Every let's grab food or let's chill somehow ends up costing money you didn't plan for. You don't need to stop vibing with your friends. You just need a social budget so your wallet doesn't cry every weekend. We all hit those days where we're stressed and tell ourselves, I deserve a treat. But bro, those random rewards stack up fast and burn your cash without actually fixing the stress. Real power is when you can hype yourself up without emptying your bank account. Let's be real, convenience food is the silent budget killer. It feels easier in the moment, but you're paying 3 to 5 times more just because you didn't plan ahead. A chill, simple meal prep routine can save you cash without turning your life into a cooking show. That isn't the real villain. It's the mindset that treats it like a roommate you just live with. A lot of us get so comfortable with owing money that it stops feeling like a threat. But real talk, if you treat debt casually, it's gonna treat your paycheck the same way. Too many of us spend money like future us is some rich superhero that's gonna bail us out. But future you is just you, bro. Same energy, same paycheck, same chaos. So the rule is simple. Don't spend money that hasn't even said hello to your bank account yet. A lot of us keep telling ourselves, I'll fix my money later. Like later is some magical place where we suddenly have discipline. But the longer you avoid your money problems, the bigger the monster gets. That weekly check-in, that's how you stop the monster before it eats. The whole month. Flex culture drain, man, this one hits different. A lot of us blow money just to look successful. But the truth is, it drains our future faster than we think. Quiet flexing with savings. That's the real power move. The comparison drain. Bro, social media is wild. You're out here comparing your real life to someone else's highlight reel. And it makes you feel like you're behind. But when you log off and focus on your own goals, everything gets a whole lot quieter. Spending for approval. This one's a trap, bro. You keep buying stuff just to seem cool because you think people care. But most of the time, they're not even thinking about you. Respect hits different when it's based on character, not receipts. Bro, you're not broke. You just didn't plan ahead. Most of us think money disappears. But it's really just bad mapping. When you finally know where your cash is going, every month stops feeling like a jump scare. Seasonal spending hits different because it feels like it came out of nowhere, even though it happens every year. Holidays pull up like a boss fight you weren't geared for. But when you prep with mini sinking funds, you walk into the season fully armored. Hidden costs are the real sneaky villains. Bro, they're small, annoying, and everywhere. Fees, penalties, random charges. But when you check your money monthly, you catch them before they pile up like a mountain. Today, we uncovered the dumb spending habits silently draining your money, from microspends and lifestyle, e-creep to subscription traps, eating out habits, debt mindsets, flex culture, and all the blind spots that keep your wallet bleeding. And here's the truth. Your money doesn't need perfection, it just needs awareness. Once you spot the leaks, you can finally plug them and move toward real financial freedom. If this video hit you in the soul, drop a like, smash that subscribe button, and share this with someone you know is destroying their wallet right now. And tell me in the comments, which spending habit surprised you the most? Your story might be the spark that helps someone else level up. This is Sam from Sam the Finance, where smart money moves start here. Take care of your money, and your money will take care of you. I'll see you in the next one.